Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LUXEAR Cooling Bed Blanket. 100% natural bamboo blanket for all seasons. It's ultra soft and breathable. It's a cool blanket for hot sleepers, night sweaters. Arc chill, summer, lightweight, and it's cold blanket. The Q max is more than zero point 0.3, so you can use this in white, you can use it in beige, you can use it in gray, and you can use it in blue. Different dimensions are available. The size is 150 to 200 centimeters or 200 to 220 centimeters. Available on the market. We have a double cooling sensation here because 100% natural cooling fiber from the bamboo, and mine gives us a double cool feeling. The LUXEAR cooling blanket uses double-strand weaving, which not only is more breathable and accelerates moisture absorption, but also automatically adjusts the temperature and the humidity, quickly causing the body heat to drop about 1 to 2 degrees to make us feel comfortable and cool. The mind additives themselves have a cooling sensation too, so we will feel cool in the hot summertime. And skin friendly and, of course, comfortable. For many years, they have focused on bringing customers a clean, comfortable sleeping environment. The cold blanket contains two special ingredients: bamboo fiber containing bamboo, quinone elements, and mind additives containing menthol. They combine the two to effectively protect our skin while giving us a cool feeling. On a hot summer night, we can feel easily asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And it's really easy to clean and care. It's hand wash or machine wash on slow, gentle settings, please, with water temperature below 30 degrees C/86 degrees Fahrenheit. We hang the summer blanket vertically on the cloth hanger and dry the blanket in a cool and ventilated place. It will then resume its original size again. We do not put the bed blanket in the dryer or dry it in the sun. We don't bleach or iron it. We should put this junkyard cool blanket in the laundry net bag to prevent tangling or damage while you are washing it. And design and craftsmanship. This cool throw blanket uses a geometrical jacquard design to make the jacquard blanket beautiful, soft, and silky. Also, they use environmentally friendly dyes, and they dye before weaving. So, we don't have to worry about fading, pilling, or shrinking. After washing, the blanket retains its feeling, and it will look like new after a long term of use. We have a twin or a queen size for this bamboo blanket, suitable for 2 single beds or a whole bed. 4 colors to choose from to fit every decor. This bamboo lightweight cooling bamboo blanket, it's only 2.1 pound. So it's easy to carry and ideal for traveling by car, train, or airplane. No matter where we are, this blanket is our good friend. It helps us to cool down all the day. 100% bamboo and mind fabric blankets. The double cooling effect keeps cool and dry all night. As the summer season approaches, more and more people try to beat the heat. If we lack AC, need to keep cool when sleeping on a camping trip, or just want to keep cool generally during the summer, we need a plan for that. What if there was a way we could keep cool while sleeping and finally get the good night's sleep we deserve? The LUXEAR Arc Chill Cooling Bamboo Blanket is here to make the bedtime cooling comfortable. The LUXEAR bamboo blanket will keep us cooling comfortably during this hot summer. The cooling bed blanket is made of 100% bamboo fiber, with mind additives to give us a double cooling feeling. Exquisite jacquard design and a workmanship detail makes this summer bed blanket more beautiful and durable than others on the market, of course. LUXEAR has always been committed to providing us with high-quality products. They believe that we will love this cooling bamboo bracket every time we use it. With Arc Chill, more than 0.3 Q max value. And this is a good value. That means we can sleep and have a multi-purpose blanket here. Air-conditioned room blanket. Travel blanket lightweight, easy to carry while traveling. Casual blanket offers nap, afternoon read, what you like. Sofa blanket, watching TV, playing games, you can use it. And exquisite workmanship. Delicate design with reinforced edges to prevent unraveling, sturdy and durable to improve the quality and durability of the cooling blanket itself. The special texture design with a perfect combination of durability and softness. And it is for superheroes too, as you can see, because it's big enough for big guys out there. This is the really cool and awesome LUXEAR cooling bed blanket with 100% natural bamboo blanket for all seasons. Ultra soft and breathable. It's a cool blanket for hot days and hotter nights. For sleepers, for night sweets. Because after this, you do not have any sweets at night. With Arc Chill function in the summertime. Lightweight and it's a cold blanket with the Q max value of more than 0.3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.